keeping it on. I'm gonna get ruined to wear this next. Hmm? Yeah, say hi. Yeah, I would like something.
Good set. Go ahead.
I haven't canceled the game yet, so I don't know why they're...
I'll go first.
Yo, only drums.
I don't know why we're going under.
Sorry, Rune, I'll get that off of you soon.
We live. Shut up.
First down.
Are you getting this?
Tiger, they said first down.
Juice? Yo, I want to do it so badly. I got Doritos now. Ooh, we're a go.
Cleveland's fans played the number 22 Richard.
We're a band. I thought we need energy for a
play for another first down.
No, roll off, Tiger.
Oh, I did too.
Towards them.
Roll up.
Fumble on the play, recovered by the Pirates.
Wait, can I say what's up? Wait, which way is facing your face?
Yeah, I'm gonna retake it.
Let Rune through. Tiger.
Yeah.
Here's some math clothes. We're gonna go to the house. I'm officially canceling the rest of us for tonight. It's just due to what the weather looks like it will potentially be doing. It doesn't make sense, especially when we have to be out here in the morning. So thanks for coming back down and doing all those things. I would recommend if you have the second to do it right now and you got your phone on you, just text your parents that it's time for them to head this way, so that you don't have to wait here longer. Especially if they need to drive from all the way on the beach or something. All right, when we get back, we'll do all of our normal setup things. Make sure that you check in with your leadership before you dismiss. Check in with your leadership before you dismiss.
Guys, juice.
Guys, make sure to wipe off your heads.
I love you guys. This is the stuff I do to my YouTube channel. I'm not supposed to talk right now.
All right, you guys need to be in line. You have to come up.
Fix that crack scene, don't worry. So how's your day been? POV, your rune. Oh yeah, of course.
Why, Kiger, why are you so far away from Ben?
I want to be with my camera. Hey guys, I love you.
Well, I'll cave over you.
Advertise that really. Does that make sense?
Okay, wait, you want to do this?
I'm saying I don't want to advertise our
some. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We are now in the studio. So, it's 3 in the morning right now. This floor is good. Now, I don't know what we're gonna catch, but the lights are on right now. Tell me, I'm sensing that they're not on at first. Come on, you know, that deserves a drink of water.